Here is the Boult Striker Pro, the big brother of Boult Striker. Let's unbox it. This watch comes with 1.43 inches round AMOLED always-on display, which means ultra-high resolution screen with 750 nits high brightness and having 60Hz refresh rate. Also guys, this smartwatch comes with working crown. Yes, talking about its build quality, it's rough and tough and comes with zinc alloy metallic finish. And yeah, definitely you're getting Bluetooth calling feature with dedicated speaker and mic, so you can reject or answer calls with the help of your smartwatch only. Also, you can access recent contacts, dial from your keypads. The smartwatch is IP67 water resistant, dust proof and complete protection against dust particles. Talking to the production side, you are getting smartwatch notification and calculator. In terms of fitness features, you are getting SpO2 Blood Oxygen Saturation Monitor, 24x7 heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, female menstruation cycle tracking, sleep monitor, drink water reminder, sedentary reminder, and a lot other features. Mini games are there in the watch. This watch has animated watch faces and multiple UI styles with 120+ sports mode and Find My Phone feature. So if you're looking for budget smartwatch that has Bluetooth calling feature and a lot other features and which comes with metallic finish, this is the best option you can have. That is it for this video. Subscribe and like this video. Keep watching One Tech. Till then, take care and bye-bye.